Instagram. So we all know that J-Hope and V went to IU's concert. V has been posting it on his Instagram all day. So kung gusto niyo makita yon, check out his IG page. Tapos yung pinakahuli niyang post, kaka-check ko lang, yun nga dapat yung i-repost ko sa Instagram. Tapos sasabihin ko na Jungkook's wives, parang ganyan. Pero something caught my eye. So this is the post I'm talking about. Of course, he's with a very beautiful IU. Kasi nga they did a collab. V was in her music video for Love Wins All. Sa totoo lang, sa unang tingin, it's very mundane. Natuwa ako kasi magkasama yung mga asawa ni Jungkook. But if you look closely down here, naglagay siya ng rainbow emoji. Like, why? We all know the symbolism of rainbows. It's for the gay pride. And is this V telling us na wag kayong mag-alala, wag nyo kaming iship, hindi ito ganun? Because of all the emojis he could have put there, bakit ito? So is this V shutting down the Delulu shippers out there?